You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
We're at Mercier Orchards.
And we're just in an apple.
A big sign.
Maybe two. Maybe two, Mama.
Maybe 2 apples? Look how pretty it is.
And different lights. And lots of different lights.
Where are the apple trees? Look at all those apple trees. Beautiful. What do you think, bud? You gonna pick your own apple?
Yeah.
What do you think, Shala?
Good.
Is that a fun ride?
Yeah.
It was pretty, wasn't it?
Oh, you said that?
Look at that big pond. Okay, here we go. Hey, Laura. You ready for this? There's the little tractor taking them to pick their apples. Here they are. They're almost here. Here we are. What do you guys think? Cute. Thank you. Wow. It's beautiful. 6-pack of solder. Over there's the restaurant. Ooh, they even have peaches. I forgot how big this place was. So we're gonna get an apple sweet.
Yeah, cupcake.
You want cupcakes?
Yeah, tell me all the other one.
Look at all the choices. I think I'd have to try the apple pie. The prices aren't bad too.
Mom, can we get a cupcake?
Cupcake?
Yeah, cupcake. Can we get a cupcake?
I don't even see any cupcakes. They have muffins.
Yeah, muffins.
You want a muffin?
Yeah, muffins.
Instead of an apple pie?
Yeah, instead of apple pie. Muffins.
What are you getting, Dave?
I'm deciding between the muffin or the donut.
Okay.
What's
Let me see
good
the bread.
I want the donut. I want the donut.
That looks good.
I want the donut. I want the
Want
donut.
the donut?
Muffin?
Muffin.
Yeah. I can't wait to try this apple fritter.
I'm so excited to try my donut.
Are you excited about the donut?
Yeah.
Look at these delicacies. You excited? Grab yours, buddy.
Yes. Choose mine. Choose mine.
Get yours, Shala. Get yours, Alora. What do you think?
Look,
Is it amazing?
look at it.
It's pink inside. So cute. We gotta eat pretty soon after this because we need some protein.
Sit down, Laura.
Wonder what this apple fritter is gonna taste like.
Protein. Apples are protein.
Is the apple donut good?
Very good.
Apples are protein.
I'll try yours and I'll give you mine.
No. They're good for you though.
You're good too.
Which one do you like better? Strawberry or apple?
Maybe the strawberry. That's good.
Look at this cool tractor.
Alright, stop down. We gotta hurry.
Did you love that, buddy? Look how huge those wheels are. They're taller than you. Look at that. Wow. Better get down, buddy. Standing on the hedge, silly.
Big wheel.
Look at you, big girl. You driving a tractor?
The cheese.
No, oh, Shala.
Go look at me.
Come on, baby.
Hey, you have cash, right?
You gonna get boiled peanuts?
You have cash?
I have $5. Can you explain our dilemma with the apple picking?
Yeah, we went and asked for apple picking, but it's not apple season.
They have strawberry picking though. That's $12 a person.
Are we getting the
So you do love boiled peanuts? Oh, car coming. Come on, everyone. You can tell it's our nap time. Here I go. Boiled peanuts in a bag. Well, I think me and you are the biggest fans, Bubba. What do you think? Look at all these bull peanuts. I love it. Such a Georgia thing. They're delicious and super hot. Hot and fresh. We loved them. This place is adorable. What score would you give Mercier Farms, David?
Probably like a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
The only reason they're not a 10 is because they charge a lot for things like apple picking and stuff.
That's where we
And they don't apple pick now.
Which makes sense. Here we go.
Open up the bag, white
This is
one,
cute.
and then show
I think this is a must-try place. I loved it.
I was looking outside there.
Okay.
I'm here.
Oh, what is that? Hard cider. It's a little bar.
It's crafted.
I just love Blue Ridge. See how cute this is? There's the Blue Ridge Depot. It's where you catch the train.
Yeah, Blue Ridge people, let's go.
We're going to a great restaurant up here. It's supposed to be the best restaurant in Blue Ridge. Look at that little street. There's the train. Yeah,
Can we catch the train?
not today. I just love how this town looks. I think Blue Ridge is adorable. Look at that little shop.
I thought you'd love it here.
Thanks for bringing me. This is such a great Mother's Day gift. Glitzy chick.
You want to go in here?
Yeah, we should.
You guys want to go in the glitzy chick?
Cool.
No, hey guys, no touching anything, okay? Just look.
Wow. This is a Cupcake Wars winner.
What's it
Let's see if they're good.
What's it do?
Let's go.
Can I get one?
Look how pretty. We're all gonna share one, okay? What do you think? Look how cute they are. I love them.
Charlotte just like
Okay, we got the brownie cupcake.
Yeah, yep, me half.
Get a bite. Let's tell us what you think. Bubba. No. Do you like it? Do you like it? Is it delicious? They're literally just eating the cream off the top. You do want to try it? Okay, she'll try it.
she's gonna try it. She's gonna do it for the team.
They're just eating the stuff off the top.
Dude, what the heck?
Don't get it on you, Laura. I can't even do that. This art shop, it's beautiful.
That one down too.
Look at these cute animals.
And look at that bell. Who made a fish?
Oh, that one's cute. I love that bear. You love the fish?
Yeah, who made these fish?
I don't know. The artist might not be here.
Mama,
You want a salad?
I want that.
Do I want salad? I'm not sure. I'm still deciding. Do you like it in here? No, you gotta stay in your seat. What do you think? Good? What do you think, buddy? Just, do you like it?
Yeah.
Look at you in your high top chair. Big boy.
Look down, make them look down.
Look down. Long way down. You guys are being big kids though.
Look up.
You showing the pepper, Laura?
Pepper.
Whoa. It's a cool atmosphere in here. Looks like a pretty good menu too.
Hey, people, look, yes, Mama. People look that.
Whoa. I love it. Oh yeah. Doing your moonshine. What do you got, Daddy?
I got a mesquite burger.
I'm thinking your dance moves.
Oh.
So that sounds good too. How about you, Laura? Oh yeah.
That's a sleepy move.
You can tell it's past nap time. You hanging in there? Oh. What about your moves, bud? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Rocking it. Cuties. Show me your burger.
Burger's Gucci. Still thin, but
it?
good.
Is it worth the great reviews? You think it's worth coming here? I think for the atmosphere.
the atmosphere. The food isn't that
This
great.
is the pizza.
People.
We got a flatbread.
Our pizza sealed. Our pizza sealed. Look.
Yeah.
What's that?
We thought the train was coming in, but it's actually not.
There's a place up there called Sun.
Oh, there it is. It's coming.
There's a train.
This town is just cute as a button. I will say that restaurant had a cool atmosphere, but we weren't that.
Yeah, the food
amazed
wasn't
by the
very
food.
good. At least we
It
could have just had the wrong things, but my burger wasn't incredible. It wasn't
And it
anything to
wasn't
write about.
Yeah, and it wasn't a great cross for what you got, I felt
Yeah.
like.
We paid like $40-something, and all we had was an appetizer pizza,
Yeah.
and then one burger and a sweet tea, and that was all. And it was over $40.
Yeah. But it was a fun experience.
Yeah.
But I just might choose somewhere else next time.
Yeah.
But this town is so cute. Here's the train's coming in. Hey, Valora! Say hi, train! Oh. That's a big train in this town. Here we go. Back roading it. You didn't worry about them. Look at this. Look at that little dog. This is really back roading it. This is the way to the waterfall. Last chance firewood. How fun is this? Little house. Cottage in the woods.
Look at that.
Yeah?
I saw a sign that said water. But
Beautiful.
I don't know what else it said. It said water.
It's a shooting dessert boundary still.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
It's not a camper.
This drive is beautiful.
We have 1.8 miles left.
But I will say it is gravel drive. So it's pretty bumpy. There's some pretty big holes through here. Just to warn you guys. But man, it's worth it.
If you see a puzzle, don't sue it.
Here we are.
Come on,
Long Creek Falls. Who's ready for an adventure?
That's what that sign said, right?
Yep.
Yep.
This way.
come on.
This is one.
Get to the right, everyone.
Okay, look. There used to be a 3. No, we're just
No,
good. We're
just
one.
one.
1 mile. We're good. 13 would be a retreat.
Yeah,
1 mile.
indeed.
So tell them.
Here you go.
13 miles we're giving up already, okay?
Baby. Yeah. Here we go. I hear the river. Hey, David. You guys gonna run a mile? Oh, look at the water down there. Perfect to play in. It's beautiful. Look at the butterflies.
Not the waterfall, but it's the creek that starts from the waterfall.
Let's see how cold it is.
I can't do it with my water.
Just hold it. You got it.
How do I do it?
Oh, Daddy the gentleman.
Why is
Thank
it
you,
that
sir.
cold?
Is it?
How's that cold? How much cold you
I'm gonna
want
put
cold?
my foot in here. Oh, that is cold.
Let me take off my foot.
You wanna put
Yeah?
your foot in it, Chuck?
Oh no, Bubba. You have tennis shoes
Taking
on.
off my foot.
Wanna put your
No,
foot in it?
sissy.
Why?
Just use your hands.
My hands.
You don't.
Wanna put your foot in it?
How fun is this? Look at the tunnel down there. You want to put your hand in? Wow.
Across that bridge, that-
Look at them.
Good
You guys are
job.
such adventurers. Good job. Look at you out on that little tree that fell.
Can I jump in
Is
the
that
water?
cool? No, no jumping in the water.
Oh.
Elora had a little tumble
How do you pitch it up?
to your knees. Oh.
How do you pitch it up?
Look at this big mushroom I
Feeling
found.
better now though. Look at the mushroom Daddy
It's like a
found.
Mario mushroom.
Can we touch it?
Whoa. No. It's cool though.
Oh, bird.
Does anybody know what kind of mushroom this is?
Come here, come here, look at it.
We'll have to look it up.
I didn't know if it was poisonous, so I just grabbed it up as
Hey,
fixed.
give us a shift, man. What kind of that is, if you know.
Leave a comment if you know what kind of mushroom this
Tell them
is.
to leave a like and subscribe.
Give us a like and a shine.
Good job.
A Mario mushroom.
Don't touch it, it could be poisonous.
That is so cool.
You see what happens when it hits the ground?
Everybody stay back.
You see what happens when it looks like when it hits the ground?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
It's gonna explode.
They stay pretty solid.
Come on.
You can't touch it, Bubba. No, Josiah,
Come on,
let it
leave
be.
alone. You got a good look at
Well, it did explode. Just sounded like it didn't.
Take off my shoes.
No, baby.
Don't
Dude.
mess with it, Charlotte.
No, just leave it alone.
It's in the wall.
It's working. It's doing what it's meant to do. Look at him go. Is it? Wow.
Look where it's coming from.
What do you think, Alora?
You can choose it if you want.
Is it cold?
Look at this. Let's look where it leads.
Oh, it goes
See all the
down
water
there.
down there? It leads out into the river. That cool? Alright, you ready to jump over it? I'll hold your hand so you don't fall. You ready? Get a big jump. Ah, good job.
It's Sasquatch with water. Here he comes. And a Yoda shirt. We think we're getting closer.
All the way to Canada?
I don't know. Does it?
At least to like New
It
York.
goes a very long way.
If you trail that trail for long enough, it'll take you to like New York, I guess.
Wow. Part of the
Right,
Appalachian Trail. And this is the way to the falls.
Yep.
Here we go. You're going to New York? Have a good trip. See you soon. Come on, Boogaloo. Is it so big?
Yeah, come on. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Wow. I see it through the trees. Watch your step. Oh my gosh. Wow. Come on, Alora. Good job. Oh my goodness. Look at this place. Are you so excited? Wowee. Oh my gosh, it really is big. Wow. This is definitely worth a mile hawk. Look at that. Oh. Muddy shoe. Look at this. What can we see if we go up here? Oh, wow. Do people swim here in the summer?
I don't know.
I feel like you could. Has anybody been here swimming in the summer? Let us know in the comments.
What do you think, Sierra?
Bug attacked me.
Hey, get over that. I'll take a picture of you.
Magnificent.
Cameron?
Wow. I love it. We should do a family picture.
Okay. Get with the kids first.
It's breathtaking. And we're the only people here.
I know.
It's so cool.
Just hold on.
Hold on, Alora. I'll help you in just a minute. Good job, guys. Are you going up there too? Is that fun to scoot down?
Hey, Laura. Hey, Laura, look at me and say cheese. Just now, look at these. And just now put your arms up in the air, pose.
This place is just magnificent. I love it. So glad we came. We're climbing up this side of the waterfall. Look at this. So cool. Thank you, sir. Videoing your booty right now.
Oh yeah. Mama's good.
You're silly. Look at that. Wow.
Hey, stop.
Oh my goodness. Look at it go. Dude. We were down there a second ago. Just off. Please listen so we can do this more.
Look at us there. Beautiful.
We got to make sure that you're safe.
Waterfall.
Look at that.
Let's
So
go-
beautiful.
let's go farther up.
It goes farther up.
Yeah.
Wow.
Go farther up.
That's amazing.
Go.
You want to
Go
keep
farther
going?
up.
I don't think so today, baby. It's epic though. That's so cool.
And then drop it over here.
Wow.
Don't fall, Mama.
Doing good, buddy.
Oh, that would almost fall.
Whoa. Here I come.